Happy Friday, parents. This is my weekly video. I'm going to try to make this one fast. So let me just tell you some things that are going on right now. First of all, I want to thank you for your support. The kids did really well this week in phonics, and I thank you for helping your child at home succeed in school. This week, we were learning about central message, and actually, we'll be learning about central message, retelling and central message for the next few weeks. So last week, we read The Little Red Hen, so you can ask the kids about that. And this week, we read Burros Tortillas. Both of them have similar stories, and the children were able to make connections to each book. So what I want you to talk to the children is that when they're reading, that they're thinking about what's happening in the story, in the beginning, the middle, and the end, and also try to figure out if the author is trying to teach them a lesson. So what's the author trying to teach us when we read this book? In math, oh my goodness, this week was challenging. We started the missing start for an equation. And what that means is that you have, for example, you have some frogs, then 3 more came, now we have 5. So they need to understand that our number sentence is, I don't know, plus, I forget what I said, 3 equals 5. So that is kind of challenging, and that's why we will be using Q-tips. Now, I will be making an additional video explaining Q-tips and how I would like the kids to do their homework. I'll be checking it on Friday. We didn't send it this week because of assessments and access testing, but this week we went home today. And I'm also going to be making another video if you need help with homework. That's math. And, oh, yeah, the blog. We're starting a blog, and I'm very excited about that. So I'll probably be just sending a link to the blog, and you'll be able to just browse the pages and figure out what you need or what resources you might find useful. What I ask you to do, if you go on my videos, if you watch my videos on YouTube, to please like them. And also, Seesaw, I want you participating. Come on, make comments. The kids are excited about it. So when they come to school, I can say, oh, I got a message from your mom or your dad, your aunt. So that's the purpose, to get them excited about doing their work, taking pictures, sending it home. We are working on making their videos a little shorter too. What else? Access testing. Next week, we'll continue to have access testing for some children. The letter went home. Not all kids are being tested for access, but please ensure that your child is here and is here on time. And one more thing, if it's possible, some days we don't have snacks in the class. So if it's possible to send a box of cereal, like Cheerio boxes, so I can give it to the students. But if you prefer, you can pack a small healthy snack for your child as well. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great weekend.